Father, I've been in this sport for how many years? Is it not right time for you to bless me? Please. Bless me, Father. I need to move forward. Angel.
My son.
Lord, I've been hearing you pray. You haven't improved all this while, and you are asking for blessings that your capacity cannot carry. Which year is this? It's 2025. This is 2025. And you are still using a typewriter of 1960s. Who again needs your service at this age? Things have gone beyond this. You need to improve your capacity so that God can bless you the more. I cannot bless you with this. Please, my son, improve your skills. See thou a man, diligent in his business. He will stand before kings and not just ordinary men. Go and improve yourself. Then your prayers, your success can be a reality.